Gusto mo mapahabain ang lifespan ng iyong laptop? Here are 3 essential tips to maintain and prolong the life of your laptop. Tara, let's get started. First is syempre physical care and cleaning. Invest in a good and decent cleaning solutions. Use microfiber cloth and disinfectant alcohol that is great for gadgets or your tech stuff. At the same time, clean the screen, the keyboards, and any surface areas na laptop mo. At the same time, use cotton swabs or Q-tips sa mga hinges, sa mga inner parts. Pero wag mo nang kasyadong paso kasi baka naman masira yung laptop mo. And at the same time, ito, very important, guys. Never use paper towel sa paglinis. Why? Because this can cause friction sa surface area ng laptop mo and can cause minimal scratches. So, mapapansin mo yan, may mga maliliit na scratches na mamaya sa laptop mo, kakakuskus mo ng paper towels mo. Second is software and security maintenance. Make sure that you always back up your data and remove unused apps and files because if the problem happens, or kunyari may hacking mangyari, at least safe ang important files mo. Then at the same time, never download suspicious files or suspicious links na nakikita natin sa web because hackers can get your personal information. Never save passwords then guys sa laptop mo. Maybe some of us maaring nagsisave tayo ng mga password natin sa laptop mo and this is a big no-no. Why? Because if na-hack na yung computer mo ng hacker, pwede niya makuha lahat ng password mo sa iba-ibang accounts mo. So, it's a big no-no to save your password to your laptop and that is based from my experience. So siguro maybe next time I'll make a video on my previous experience kung paano ako na-hack, paano nakuha yung mga, paano napalitan yung mga accounts ko, napalitan yung passwords ko dahil nakasave lahat ng mga passwords ko sa laptop ko. And lastly is battery and charging. Ito ay isa sa mga main reasons ng pagkasira ng ating laptop dahil hindi natin na-charge ng ayos yung mga laptops natin. Make sure to charge wisely, guys. Huwag mong paabutin ng 20%, below 20% yung laptop mo, isaksak mo na agad. At huwag mo din naman siyang i-overcharge. At the same time, don't charge your laptop in a direct heat or direct light sa sunlight kasi talagang masisira yan. Kasi isipin mo, nag-charge na siya, sobrahan na ng init, at the same time, naaarawan pa siya. These are just some essential tips to maintain and prolong the life of our laptop. So if you want more of these, make sure to follow, comment, and react.